just dip my nail. Hi guys! The weather is so beautiful right now. It's been raining for the past few days and now it just spontaneously cleared up, so I thought it was the perfect time to just go on a nice little walk and hike, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. I have a lot of fun plans today and tomorrow and I can't wait to show you guys. My room is a mess, but it is spring, so I guess a spring cleaning is due. But we're gonna go ahead and enjoy the spring weather. Forget about the cleaning. I thought I'd take you guys along with me because you guys really liked the last slow days in spring that I posted last week. Love spring so much. I feel like spring and fall are my favorite weathers, so I really want to showcase that in my videos. Such a cute road shade. This is the new blush that came out, and I feel like these kind of berry tones are so perfect for the spring. The Rhode lip peptide treatment in PBJ on as well. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna just show you guys what it's like to be in the spring in California, especially NorCal. It's so beautiful when the rain comes and the grass is just pure green. Everyone's on TikTok keeps saying the Bay Area looks like Switzerland, which is really funny because I used to say that growing up, and then everyone was like, no, it doesn't look like Switzerland. Let's go outside and touch some grass. I have this cute pink jacket. Look how pretty. And there's cows. So many cows. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful today. I love California. Can you see my background? This literally looks like the Windows home screen. Gotta be careful, I don't step on any snakes. Oh, it's so cute. So pretty. Cows! Oh! Clovers! How's the background? Cows! Oh, so pretty. Wait, get me over here. Cows! Golden sunshine. I feel like I'm in a movie. We're supposed to meet up with my friends, but have no connection up here, so I don't know how we're gonna find them. It's like tear shed worthy beautiful. This is straight up cobblestone. Whoa! I can hear the gates of heaven. It's not even been a mile yet. So tiny. Is that the music box? Guys, I'm tired and I'm hungry. Didn't think we were gonna come up so far. Look at the cows. Oh, the cows are so cute. We're almost there. Look at these pretty flowers. We're so tired. We're here on the top of the mountain. We made it. Any words? Chill guy. It's so magical. Oh yeah. This is awesome. This out. This is awesome. And the cup is awesome. Lauren, hit me up, sister.
Well, I need to film this for
Okay, can you film me?
I need to film this for my Snapchat.
This is my cousin's ice making machine. It's the perfect ice. Okay, okay. You want some? Oh wait.
No, I don't want ice in mine.
이거 매워요?
안 매워.
안 매워요. 너무 맛있어요. 먹는 거 찍을게요. The sauce. Oh yeah.
Bro's making the perfect bite.
Oh yeah. 귀여워요. It's a bag.